We're all seeking that special person who is right for us. But if you've been through enough relationships, you begin to suspect there's no right person, just different flavors of wrong. Why is this, you ask? Because you yourself are wrong in some way, and you seek out partners who are wrong in some complementary way. But it takes a lot of living to grow fully into your own wrongness, doesn't it? It isn't until you finally run up against your deepest demons, your unsolvable problems, the ones that make you truly who you are, that you're ready to find a lifelong mate. Only then do you finally know what you're looking for. In the end, you're looking for the wrong person, but not just any wrong person, the right wrong person. Someone you lovingly gaze upon and think, this is a problem I want to have. This is the Imperfect Man. As for the topic question of the day, what did you learn from this episode? Do you agree? Do you disagree? Leave all interested and creative responses in the comment box below. I'll see you guys Wednesday for a brand new episode. I do sincerely apologize for my 2-week absence, as I have a lot going on with publishing a brand new book and my second album off my label, but I will return as scheduled on Wednesday with a brand new episode. This is the Imperfect Man. Don't forget to subscribe, share, like, comment, and don't forget to join the fan page. Peace.